Today I'm going to review the Keecow multi-tool for men. I can already tell you I'm disappointed because I ordered it and it in the advertisement comes with a sheath, and this is very sharp, so it needs a sheath. And it also comes with a little carrying case, and it also comes with a D-ring. It came with none of that. But the axe hammer itself feels very sturdy. The axe is very sharp. The hammer is very strong. Let me see if I can open up some of the tools here. I'm kind of bummed that it doesn't have the sheath because this thing is very sharp. And I do not want to cut myself on it. Okay. So, it's got, alright, and then let's open up this side too. So, the multi-tool comes with 3 bits. The bit fits on the top of the hammer axe, and that's how you use to screw. And it's got 2 Phillips head and 1 flat head, and that's on the back end here, and that folds inward there. And then you got another flathead screwdriver here, bottle opener, looks like a saw, little wrench, and that's the knife there. And then you got a set of almost needle nose pliers, and they're also very, very sturdy. Overall, I give the tool a 10 out of 10. It's a nice tool. I just wish it would have came with the accessories that it said it was going to come with. The Keecow multi-tool for men on Amazon.